Happy Sunday, beauties. It is November the 10th, and I'm coming back at you with another beauty video. You guys absolutely loved that last one I did, so I decided to do another one for you. This is going to be a full get ready with me, though. So we're doing soft glam. We're getting ready to go to church. You're going to see a wig install, outfit put on, and everything. And you look how pretty she is. Please stay tuned for the whole thing so you can see all the details to come. Good morning, everybody. It is November the 10th. It is a Sunday. You're gonna get ready with me to go to church. I did install my wig yesterday, and I recorded that for you guys. I was supposed to go to church last night, but my brother got busy, so we did it today. I just stuck it on. I'm still gonna style down the baby hairs nicely and re-wet the curly hair. This next part is just me music playing over me or what I already did, because what I was talking about was going to church last night, which is not gonna make no sense today because now it's Sunday. Being a woman is rough, you know. When it's that time of the month and your face starts breaking out, that's what's happening to me currently. But anyway, and then I'm gonna fix up the baby hairs and stuff and actually like comb the top, because I personally prefer when it's flatter at the top, even for curly hair, because this particular wig does get really bushy. I've had this wig actually since February of this year. As I get ready with me, so I will be doing my makeup with this as well, and then I'll be putting on my full outfit with you guys. So without further ado, let's watch this next clip. Again, just me music playing, and you're gonna see me styling up the wig, sticking it on my head.
You must hustle if you want to. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like us. No con they form say you do like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Cooking on my fantasy. You want they check if my daddy no.
Guys, so I took the band off, and that's because the worst thing is when you're finally doing your makeup and then you have a band line because you left it on. So just make sure your hair is completely dry, and then we're gonna go into our next step right now. We're gonna start with our moisturizer. We're gonna use the Milk Vegan Moisturizer for our face. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. The primer that I'm going to use today is going to be the Makeup Forever Shine Control. If you have oily skin or really want a mattified look, this is one of the best primers that you could possibly use. I already went ahead and prepped my brows with my Got2b glue. Now I'm going to go ahead with a brown pencil and line up underneath and fill up my brows upwards. Once you're done your eyebrows, you're gonna prep underneath and do your eyelids. We can do our eyeshadow next. I'm using the Bobbi Brown in the color Natural. After that, I'm gonna go ahead with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Don't mind the brokenness. I dropped my palette numerous times. Anyways, I'm gonna use color D1, and this is gonna be my brown transition color.
It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah. Crisis in my life.
Once you're done that, you're gonna go ahead and highlight above your eyebrows. I'm using the LA Girl color Espresso, and that's because it's the closest shade to my skin tone. A lot of us, you know, we do have hyperpigmented skin and we have a few different colors going on, but try to get as closest to like your forehead color as possible and just highlight. Next is foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I do have the sample size here, only because I mentioned before in my other video, I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it. This shade is actually the shade that is lighter that I picked up by accident. So what we're gonna have to do is mix it, which is okay because I have a solution to this. I'm gonna use some of my concealer in the darker brown shade Espresso, and I'm gonna mix them to bring it down closer to my shade. I'm good, 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 I'm good. And then we were able to bring our foundation right down to match our chest and our neck, so it's perfect. I'm gonna go back in with the Bobbi Brown concealer in the color Natural and highlight my face.
Every single day, yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but Just is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my Mercier translucent powder in the color Honey to seal in the highlight.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I just think my life fine through my soul, so the love has made me perfect. I'm a picture.
Next, I'm using my Juvia's Place Dark Palette bronzer to put some color back into my face.
Wondered what would happen if you pause on all the action. Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause oh, I love some music, but oh, I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender all.
Once you are all done that, I'm gonna go ahead and set in everything using the Ruby Kiss pressed powder, and it's no blemish, and it's gonna be in the color Golden Glow, and it's very similar to like the MAC pressed powder. And that's just gonna seal everything in perfectly. Next, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place color palette, and I'm going to get this nice fuchsia pink color because I love this to highlight my cheeks. Like, oh, I'm so obsessed every time I do something like this. I don't feel like you always need blush necessarily. I feel like you can get away with the colors on your eyeshadow palette to bring out some beautiful color in your face, and it makes it look like you're blushing all day long. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Maybelline mascara, and we're going to go ahead and do our lashes. Lashes I'm going to be using are from AliExpress, and I'm going to be sticking them on with hair glue. Once your lashes are on, it's time for your lips, and I'm going to do something very pretty and nude. We're going to go with a brown liner.
Truth every time I hear it, and I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from my home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place.
Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peach Amber, and it's a velvet lippie. Once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead with the Juvia's Place Brown Sugar Lip Gloss on the brown parts of my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Anastasia Beverly Hills color Guava Lip Gloss. Now that's going to go in the peach part. And this is like the perfect lip combo. Once you're all done, everything is to your liking, go ahead and set your face. I'm going to use the one size because I want this to be a super matte look. This is going to be the Dusk Till Dawn setting spray. And then once that's all done, you're going to finish it with a finishing spray. Remember, finishing and setting spray are not the same thing. We're going to go ahead with our matte NYX setting spray, and that's going to make sure our makeup does not transfer to anybody else, and your makeup will stay on all day long.
Feel this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, purified. Lord, take whatever.
All right, beauties, this is our final look to go to church. Now, I actually already came back from church. I was running a little bit late, so I couldn't do the after video. And typically, I do go outside to show you guys everything in natural lighting. Unfortunately, it is pouring rain right now, so I couldn't do that for you. But as you can see, my makeup stayed on beautifully. It looks stunning. It stayed matte. It didn't transfer to anybody. It's not on my clothes. So that little trick that I did do, it was perfect. I just have on my top from my last Fashion Nova haul. We got on some Shein boots, a little Coach bag. My bangle is also from Shein, and then these rings are from a jeweler. Dolls, honestly, this soft glam look is honestly amazing. The full coverage is eating up. I didn't do very much obviously with the eyeshadow, just did a little bit of brown to cover everything up. But this soft glam look speaks for itself. I got a lot of compliments on my makeup today and I should have recorded it because everyone's like, I look like a doll, I look like a diva, I look like a hot girl, even though I'm in the people in church, but I still look good because you can go praise Jesus and look good at the same time. But anywho, I will be sure to insert some videos of church today because church was really, really good. It's actually our youth convention, and you know, I was supposed to go to church from yesterday, as I mentioned before, but it's okay. When you're supposed to hear certain things, when something's for you, you're going to hear it. And we all know my channel's about growing, elevating, becoming bigger and better. So stay tuned. I am going to insert some clips from our service today that I feel like might touch somebody that's going to be watching this. But other than that, if you are about to log off, I hope you have a safe and blessed weekend. I'll see you again for another video. Bye.
I'm going to stay right here because I feel the Holy Ghost. I come to tell somebody, make the choice today. Make the choice today because it's the best choice you can ever make. I haven't seen anybody come in the church and stay in the church and then, praise God, have a worse life than they had before. But everybody else I've seen who stayed in the world, their life was good for a season, then it came right down. I know the backslider, God is married to you. I know you've been trying to pretend like everything's all good because you can do whatever you want, but I come to tell you that if you trust and obey, there is no other way to be happy